Okay, hi, my name is Shakirin NIZAM and my matric number is 055121. Okay, firstly, I will present, our group will present about FNN company, which is its original name is Fraser and Neave Holding Berhad. Okay, I will tell a little bit about this company background. Did you guys know that this company was established in Singapore on 1883? This means this company has been in this industry for almost 132 years. And this company was established by Scotsman John Fraser and David Chalmers Neave. So we can see that this is where the name of the company comes from. Fraser, Neave. For the product, as we know that the product of FNN, where the company produce carbonate soft drink, isotonic drinks like 100 plus, sweetened condensed milk like Gold Coin, Teapot, and many more. Okay, and the biggest manufacturing factory of FNN in Malaysia are located at Section 26 Shah Alam, Selangor. Okay, for the property, plant and equipment for Fraser and Neave Holding Berhad consists of freehold land, which is the carrying amount at 30 September 2019 was 64.695 million. For building, 451.474 million. Plant and machinery, 564.848 million. Assets under construction, 202.450 billion. And others, 46.265 million, with a total of 1,359.893 billion.
Hi, my name is Muhammad IZZUDDin. I will explain about PPE analysis. First one is PPE turnover by using the formula. In 2018, FNN generated RM9.60 in sale revenue for every RM1 of PPE in 2018, while for 2019 is RM9.22, which is 2018 is better than 2019. Second is total asset ratio. For total asset ratio in 2019, 4.24% of FNN total asset consists of PPE, while for 2019 is 4.37%, which is 2019 is higher than 2018. And the third one is PPE change. By using the formula, there is an increasing 7.96% in PPE. Okay. Company that involved in PPE is Melayan Glass Products Sendirian Berhad, Melayan Vietnam Company Limited, Kuala Lumpur Glass Manufacture Company Limited, FNCC Beverage Sendirian Berhad, Sinchua Malaysia Sendirian Berhad, Premium Milk Malaysia Sendirian Berhad.
Hello, I am Muhammad Ilyas bin Basiran. I am going to talk about why plant and machinery is the main PPE of FNN Holdings Limited. There are a few reasons that support the statement. Firstly, plant and machinery represent almost half of the whole PPE available in FNN Holdings Limited. The value is about 564 million out of 1.3 billion ringgit. There are currently 12 food and beverages plants and 4 printing plants available throughout the world. They are located in 5 countries, which are Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, China, and Myanmar. Most of it are located in Malaysia. The type of plant that are available is beverages and dairies plant, soft drink plants, and beer plant, and also printing plant. Plant and machinery play a vital role in producing beverages and dairies products, as well as running printing and publishing activities. They involve significantly in contribution to revenue. In 2019, 86% of all revenue are gained through beverages and dairies division, while 40% of it are gained through printing division. That is why Plant and Machinery is the main PPE of FNN Holdings Limited.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Azim and I will be explaining on significant accounting policies applied by FNN Berhad for property, plant and equipment. FNN Berhad is in compliance with MFRS 116 regarding items of property, plant and equipment. In terms of recognition and measurement of PPE, FNN Berhad measured all of the items of PPE at cost and applied the cost model as the accounting policy, which the cost less any accumulated depreciation and any accumulated impairment losses. The gain or loss on disposal of an item of PPE is determined by comparing the proceeds from disposal with the carrying amount of PPE and the amount recognized in profit or loss. For depreciation, it is recognized in profit or loss on a straight line basis over the estimated useful life of each component of PPE from the date they are available for use. These assets are depreciated over the shorter of lease term and their useful lives unless it is reasonably certain that the group will obtain ownership by the end of the lease term. Freehold land is not depreciated. PPE under construction are not depreciated until the assets are ready for their intended use. As stated by FNN Berhad, the estimated useful life of PPE for the current comparative period are as follows. For leasehold land, its estimated useful life are between 10 to 99 years. For buildings, between 10 to 60 years, while for plant and machinery, they are expected to be used for 3 to 15 years. For others, which comprise of motor vehicle, postmit, coolers, vending machine, furniture, fittings, office equipment, and computer equipment, are expected to be used between 2 to 12 years. Last but not least, in terms of impairment of asset, FNN Berhad is in compliance with MFRS 136, impairment of asset, if there are any indication of impairment losses, and impairment of losses are recognized in profit or loss if the carrying amount of an asset or its related cash generating units exceeds its estimated recoverable amount.
I am Muhammad Abdin Shakirin by RAHIM, metric number 055194. I want to talk about effort planned by FNN for effective and efficiency utilization of their PPE. There are two purposes in their plan for effective utilization of their PPE. First is for economic value and second is for eco-efficiency. For economic value, first they have invest in new technology, which is they have invest RM78 million at automated storage retrieval system, which is they can use their plans more systematic and more efficient. Next is their continuous improvement project. FNN encourage continuous improvement in process enhancement and cost reduction. For eco-efficiency, there is water stewardship. FNN take every opportunity and approach to reduce water consumption at their plants. Next is energy efficiency. FNN always improving energy efficiency as much as it help reduce environmental impact. Lastly is renewables energy sourcing and generation. For an example, FNN have built solar roofing to generate renewable energy from solar at one of their plant at Thailand. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Haris bin ROSLAN and today I will explain the section disclosure on PPE notes and external user perception towards Fraser and Neave Holding Berhad. For the disclosure on the Note 2 and the Note 12, I can summarize the point that would important. First, the cost to handle the PPE need to categorize in statement of profit and loss. Second, realized and unrealized gain and loss is recognized based on the change in fair value of the year of the accounting and categorized under other comprehensive income. Third, the addition, renovation and replacement need to capitalize with the assets. This is because the expenses is for long-term benefit like research and development, renovation for the building that will give the assets economic benefit for the assets. Fourth, The disposal of the asset need to recognize in statement of profit and loss whether the disposal amount is gain or loss. Management need to dispose the asset if the value start to depreciate drastically, like computer equipment, to avoid the value lower than budgeted. For the external user perception, there are three main users that will spectating the company progress, that are current investor, potential investor, and creditor. For the current investor, the information from the company can be implemented to their business, like the useful life of the assets that can operate before disposed. Second, for the potential investor, the information is useful and adequate for investor whether to put money in the business. And for the last, the creditor will inspect the asset that have strong value to be collateral. When the company have the good collateral, the creditor will give the loan and supporting activities that will give benefit from the two parties.